Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And I had started this and I said, well, I think I better start filming because I don't know what exactly I'm gonna come to do here. But I said, let me start filming. So this is my mold from Boowan Nicole, and this is a double shell mold. So I have this fabric. Originally I was going to be putting some sand into this, and when I walked around the other side of my desk, I saw this this ribbon, and I said, well, maybe I can use this. So I'm going to pull this out now because I see I'm going to need to start it here. And I'm going to go around and I'm going to put this, got to twist it so it stays in there the way I want it. I hope we're going to be able to see this. Otherwise I'm going to waste a lot of my ribbon here. But hopefully it's going to be showing at the edge where I want it. And hopefully I'll be able to clean up this mold after I'm done with this. And I'm going to twist here. See, I'm putting it inside to the edge, straight to the edge of this mold. This is a beautiful mold, and my idea is to put the Eco Resin around the outside of the mold. And then I wanted to use my Let's Resin in white and in the blue in the shell. Cut this here. Okay, so I mixed in 1/3 of a cup of the mix to mold with 2 tablespoons of the water, and I am only going to go around the edges. Okay, I'm coming back, have some lunch, and this looks pretty done to me. I see a little wet in here. I don't know why, I've never seen that normally. I'm gonna mix up my resin and we'll see. I don't know, mix up my resin here. I did crack up my leftover here, and I'm going to put that in a bag. And I'm going to mix up my my blue and my white Let's Resin. Here's the blue one, And I'm gonna mix up my white. I'm just gonna mix up a little bit of it. I don't think I'll need too much to fill this up. And I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. We have 120 mils of the turquoise and 120 mils of the white. And let's go. Should I do it like this? I think let's do this. That twinkling that you see is the You're So Fine glitter in Diamond Clear Cool Highlight. It's not the bubbles. Just filling up this coaster with my leftovers, not to waste it. Okay, this is the next morning, and let's demold this first because this was my leftover. Looks like clouds there, and looks like clouds here. It's actually sparkling in there. I don't know if you can see that. That looks pretty. See that I just have maybe one bubble here, maybe two over here. Looks like I could sand that out. And it looks like my white went over, but you know what? Let's just demold this. And I know this is a Boowan Nicole mold, and this is gonna come out nice and easy. And look at that. And I'm really curious to see what happens with that ribbon. Yeah. Oh, look how nice this demolds. Always. I will admit, I was afraid when I was demolding this, how that eco resin was going to react with the regular resin. Oh wow, how pretty you can see through that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love that. Oh, so a little piece here. I'm missing some. Wow. 2 pieces in the corners here. I'm missing some of the mixed to mold. Oh wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. Right now, as always, I need to find a way. This feels a little wet, so I do need to put this up on my drying rack and let this dry. But I am so thrilled with this. This really is beautiful. This angle. Wow. Yeah, so there's little spots in here. This is gorgeous. This really is beautiful. Wow. I am really happy with this. Okay, so there's 2 pieces here that the mix to mold did not make it to, and one is right here and the other is right here. I love this piece. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to do another one very similar without putting this in, but for now we need to fix this. And I'm going to use my Lightwish Colored UV resin in white. And this one has the diamond glitter in it, which, if you look in here, you can see that this has the glittery effect right in here, which was the reason being this piece of ribbon had glitter in it. So what I'm going to do, and I need to put this down to do this, is move this out of the way. I'm going to take my glitter, my UV resin, and now I'm putting it right into this spot here.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California.
And this has got to soak in as much as it can.
It's coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while, I was trying to pretend.
And I'm going to use my silicone piece here and push this in.
But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California.
I think I'm going to need a little more here.
Where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day to come and take me home. California, California, here I come. I've seen it all upon the silver screen.
And I'm going to put this under my UV
The
light.
happy faces and a sign upon a hill. The wine is flowing and the fields forever green. And all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be
So this is coming to the end of the line for this week's video. I am finishing up the ends of this piece, and it came absolutely stunning. Look at that close-up. I'd like to take a moment and thank my members. Thank you for being part of my inner circle of angels, and my heartfelt gratitude for the special blessings Lena Park art pinned on places and yen drawers. And I do applaud each and every one of you who have made it this far into the video. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if by chance you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit that all. We want to be sure that you'll find your way back to me. Now, if it just so happens that you are in my chat today and you have not made a friend today, look at your neighbor and say hello. And if you haven't shared a video today, how about sharing mine? Hit that share button. I share random videos throughout the week. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Have a great week ahead. Till next time. Bye-bye now. Ice You Crafted Kids Club is next.